Guys, we reached our Airbnb and I want to show you what's good. And so far, I really love it. They are very spacious, living room. Look here. This is a kitchen. Big door. Yeah, so they have everything. Yeah, Jabba, kids want some cartoon. Can you please turn it on? Yeah, come show me. Oh, nice. So you guys good.
We can really sleep in this bed.
You can really sleep?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
This bedroom is really cool. Yeah.
Bathroom. Some nice set. The shampoo, bath, lotion. Cute. And this is a bedroom. Night lamps. This is a queen size bed. And the mirror stand. Yeah, guys. See if wanna work. You see how work. Yeah, man. I feel so good. I love it. What else you need? Yeah. That's it. So yeah, guys. So we reach. Yeah, guys. So we reach Airbnb. We are well comfortable. Yeah. And I was so surprised to know that this property, Jamaican people own it too. So, like last time we came 2 years ago, we booked from also Jamaican American person, but I never knew is I do all the bookings. I find them, and I don't plan. I don't even know but it ended up we ended up again with Jamaican people. So yeah, it's like guys, this street called something like Jamaica Avenue or something, like Kingston Drive, some say RL, Jamaica Hunt, we don't know, Jamaica Nut, we go here, but the place, I don't know, every time we go and look up on Jamaican people everywhere, RL. To the world. Yeah, I'm like place nice and clean and spacious. And good price, everything. Yeah. Trust me, guys, because we nearly canceled the trip because of the ridiculous prices. All those prices are so high. I mean, this one we booked like $100 per day, but I don't know if we truly booked too close to our dates. Yeah, because so far good deals. They open like April. We booked too close, like literally a day before a trip, January start, and I don't know how I found this villa. I don't know how I found it, but I God sent it to we. Cause if not that place, this trip would never happen. Family trip, Errol would probably go play Machang. Come back, come back to Jamaica, but we would never travel. So yeah, I'm so glad. We were meant to be in America together. I love Florida, I don't lie. Today I got a Russian food. I love it, damn. I was like, I got some Russian groceries. Yeah, I was missing. Yeah, I love it here. Nice vacation. Yeah, DK. So guys, I'm boiling Leo pilmeni. See them little ones? Honestly, I can't make smalls like that. I don't know. I can't make small like those ones. These ones. But just, some people just can't cook on a different level. I can cook, but I cannot cook really neat and cute and just a cook for it. I'm gonna cook for prettiness. But Leo, he loves the small ones. A real Russian boy. He loves Russian food, so I got him some stuffed dumplings with chicken inside. The pilmeni. Malinke, small babies. Baby pilmeni. Try? Guys, we decided to cook at home, so we went to Walmart. A big whole chicken we get for $10. So we just go cook some macaroni to eat, and next day rice to eat. Yeah, man, that's how we are going. Cause eating out pretty expensive now. Even today I was in shock because like whatever in Russian a restaurant we had came to $54, and like I mean I was even hungry after. Like the portions, they were not big, and I'm just upset. I'm upset it came to $54. I think it's too expensive for whatever we ate in the Russian restaurant. So I decided to cook. I decided that I will cook at home because I'm not satisfied. I'm not satisfied with the price. Yeah, the price too up. So I'll buy some stuff since we're here like for like 5 more days. No wait, six more days. So I just bought some shrimps. And look at so guys, because when I know, yeah, because like Jamaican person of course we Jamaican person of course we, so them have a Dutch pot, amazing. I go curry some shrimps, then bought some salmon. What am I gonna do with it? I fry it with rice, yeah. And Leo, we're not eating. Yes. Yeah, so we're good. We'll set up and bought snacks and fruits them. We're nice. And guys, our groceries, they came to like about $200 US. I don't know, it's quite expensive, but it's like almost like what we pay in Jamaica. But in Jamaica, like the portion size smaller, so you get in America more products. So like for example, this we get it about how much it like a 500, almost 500 grams. So in Jamaica me I gonna get like 200 grams. Yeah, so it's definitely yeah, it's not cheaper in America, but you definitely get bigger size of everything. So we bought fruits and yeah, but everything is big. See the guys, meal of the century. Yeah man, we're good. Yeah man, we love it. Some nice cooked food. And the chicken not bad at all, you know. It's not salty. It's good.
But you just say chicken when you see lemon something?
Yeah, I don't know. Just to figure out them just use lemon pan it, but I don't know. Like flavorful something. I love it. Yeah man. Economy.
You know.
Yeah, but like Errol today was kinda in shock from how much money we spent in Walmart. Yeah, but yeah.
Come here, food expensive.
Come like yeah, like in Jamaica. But one thing you notice, the size of the packs them bigger, so it can serve you longer. Yeah. A big pack. Errol pick a big pack of strawberry now. Let's just hope and pray them taste sweet and not like plastic ones. I'm pick up a big bag of watermelon. Everything big, like giant size. And Errol met a Jamaican in the Walmart. Yeah.
I was thinking nobody would know we don't have that.
But you see there guys,
So big up the subscriber then.
from Florida state.
Yeah.
And all over the world.
All over the world.
Oh.
In Florida again and people much more.
Yeah.
So we need to go somewhere else.
That's what I make.
Maybe summertime, but me just feel Florida the best of the rest. Out of all the rest.
Just the weather.
Yeah, like Florida, not like.
Seems like, you know?
I'm like blending of multiple people in Florida, you know?
Well, New York will be same thing.
Yeah.
We go to New York and winter and we feel see some snow.
Yeah, guys, next trip we'll have to go to New York in summer and take them to the Central Park and them, you know?
New York in the winter with the snow.
Winter? I don't think so. Not so much money for spend on the warm clothes. You know how much them how expensive them? No, sorry. Alright. I go see snow on YouTube. Snow cannot break my pocket, sorry. Yeah, guys.
Cool, bad.
Hey, man. We just there, guys, chilling, eating, and yeah, taking vacation.
Let's go for buy food for the week.
I really love that the Dutch pot is in the kitchen, you know? Like a Jamaican Dutch pot that I'm used to. I feel like food tastes much better when you cook it in a Dutch pot. I don't know, does it just me feel so? But I mean, so feel so. A lot of people agree Dutch pot is the thing to go, you know?
Yeah.
And I like cooking on them tefal and them stuff. No Dutch pot, no one.
So guys, we'll see. You want to book the Airbnb? That means the people not pay me because she's a yard man place.
Yeah.
I give the yard man a strength. So just look on my personal channel, Era Stevens. You will see me do a video how to make $100. Look in the description of the video, you will see the link for the Airbnb. So if you are compared, you want something nice to stay on the rate at the best rate you could find. Nice place too. Me comfortable, fully comfortable.
Like a home away from home.
It's really clean.
Yeah.
It's clean.
Yeah, guys. Love it.
Check it out.
We came to Ross. Yeah, so we are going to the Ross. Yes, see, boys there. You know, I noticed in America people not strict about masks, but let's see if the dude at the entrance will say something to us. Oh, but I doubt it. So first of all, I wanted to check some shoes, and tomorrow we are going. Where we're going? Chill Panda Resort, Floridian Resort. Yeah, so I need a swimsuit if they have it here. What are you looking at? Errol, I want to check shoes here. You sure? Make sure they don't break nothing. Yeah, so that's my size. So let's see what they have. I really love those. Though. Like $10 for them. They're nice, like by the pool. Wear them by the pool, perfect, cause made from the material and there's no glue. Yeah. Nice. I love it. Errol, I found shoes for you. Somebody left some Steve Madden. Ooh, but your girl will not spend $33 on them. When it comes to shoes and clothes, I don't like spending lots of money, and I feel so good when I can catch deal. Oh, this is the best reward, best feeling ever. Yesterday I got a nice t-shirt from Adidas. Adidas t-shirt from Marshalls, and it cost me $20. I was feeling so damn good. Yeah, I'm gonna check that one if it can fit me. Come, we need something high. Yeah. Oh, that's me. Guys, what do you think about them? I love them. They look cute. Yeah, I have a little extra height because I'm short, so we need something to, make me look a little bit taller. Yeah, so I like them. I'm gonna take them. Guys, look, they have more slippers. 7. I never see that they have a stand 7 here, but we decided to change. I'm gonna buy those slippers and this one. I don't know, I think that will be enough. I'm still have some here, but oh, that looks so good, but it's 8. Everything is 8. Like 7 is This is, as far as I see, be a bullshit. Only like the one that I picked up nice, but the rest, like the 7 people, I don't know if people know we are 7 or people just buy them fast. But 7 is not easy to find. The other day I was struggling with the sleep. I think it's time for me to try something to help me fall asleep, because trust me, I was feeling really bad. I cannot sleep. I don't know why. What happened? I need to try something. How much for them? Like $4. I wonder if it's safe to buy medicine in Ross. I mean, I don't know. Should I try? It's like definitely I need to grab vitamins because in Jamaica they're very expensive. So I need to grab them in advance also. Difference is that this one has sugars and this one is sugar free. So I'll stick to the one that has no sugar in it. Here, I think I will just go with it. See kids behind me with the Roblox. Yeah, so you know guys, like mature you're growing, you start to realize that you need them, so like greens and the powders. Yeah, it's good. It has the spirulina. I've never tried it, so I think I need to. I like smoothies, so why not? I'm gonna add it here, and it's pretty, yeah, pretty not. I can say like, yeah, it's cheap. Yeah, $7. That's not bad. Not bad. That's not bad. So I'm gonna grab some of those here because this stuff in Jamaica, oh god, it will break your pocket. The healthy stuff, you better prepare to pay for your healthy lifestyle. Yes, that's why I'm gonna be grabbing some nice stuff. Also guys, with me I need a tone cream. Yeah, I need a tone cream. I couldn't find in Jamaica. Very hard to find my tone because I'm like second to the bottom. My skin is pretty light, so it's very hard for me in Jamaica here. So I'll be grabbing some of those too, and also night creams because in Jamaica they're very expensive too. I mean, everything in Jamaica is expensive, so you better try to grab everything what you might possibly use. Earl said that we are going to the Chuck E. Cheese, I think that's how he calls it, and he gave me a limited amount of time to shop, so I might just start with the beauty products and the powders and some supplements, and I will definitely need to come back to Ross again because trust me guys, 1 hour is not enough. I cannot shop in 1 hour. I have to at least take here like 2 hours, but I'm telling you, 1 hour cannot work with me. I need to check every damn thing here. So I'm just here checking some face stuff. I need something. Creams. And you know, the face creams, they're very important when you live in Jamaica because the sun hits it different, so you better buy something with SPF here. And I noticed, you can notice on me, I started having the wrinkles, deep wrinkles, and I do connect it with the sun here, and I have them like on my forehead, and I kind of think I need something here with the SPF to protect my skin because it's not easy. Errol, don't tell me he's buying that. This is big. How he's gonna take it on the plane? Yeah, sorry, we're not Americans. Errol wanted to go classy. Well, they're not bad enough, but I just don't see it on you. I don't know why. I think you're just more like sporty. It's more for like elders. I don't know. It's like it's not your style, but honestly, we all go with the sushi. A Japanese, yeah, have nice the one piece, and that's what I really love. How much for it? $30. But it looks nice. They have also Nike one. How much for the Nike one? Same, like $25 for the Nike one. Oh, they have Adidas. Oh, they have nice Adidas. with this colorful one. I love it. But don't get too, might be too small. But wait, I love this one. I love this one. Nice. When I go to America, I always buy brassieres and underwears. That's what you really need in Jamaica too. That's what I really need here. So I always make sure I have them here. So let's just check what's good. The size. Oh no, size. Like this one. This looks cute. I don't like with the lot of stuff. I just like it like a top.
But that's
Yeah, guys. So also grab some stuff for the boys. Some shorts. They're okay. Yeah, they have a lot of t-shirts. Just some shorts. Sporty shorts. Errol, you come in? Yeah. Yeah. That is gonna be it.